You get up there and try again. Keep going. Ah. See, see. Yeah. Zara. Hi. You're so cute. Come here. There. Come here. Come on. Zara. Give me your hand. You okay? Yeah. You guys are so cute. Zara's like, nah. Is it hot? Got it, Zoe? So you gotta carry it. Because this one you gotta go all in. You don't want to go down the slide? So how about you go? Yeah, but I want her to go to, like, play or something.
How about she can play in the water?
Zara, do you want to play?
You want to play in the water, Zara? Zara wants to play in the water.
You gotta hurry up because I think it's a certain time where Zoe don't cross over there. Zoe, don't drop her. Let me see. You got her? Let me see it. Want me to get her? Want me to get her? Zara's like, no.
Can she actually crawl in it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead. I got her. Come on.
Come on.
You wanna walk? Yeah. She doesn't want to walk here. She's gonna be sick. Are you gonna move or are you gonna stay there? Zara! Yay! Yay! And there goes Zoe. Zara! Zara! Hey! Hey! Guys, welcome to the weekend vlog. We are back, baby! Huh, Zoe?
Yes.
Yes. So we just left. We're at the park. We're about to leave the park. It's just like a park at a church, and they have like a little water thing and the baby area and the big kids area, but the baby area was closed, so we just left the little park. It's a really nice day today. It's only 88 degrees and it's about to be 1 o'clock, so it's not bad for Texas. So now we're gonna go get some. First they're gonna go home and change because they're wet, and I forgot to pack their swimsuits so they can change out of their swimsuits. But we're gonna go home and change, probably get some lunch, I'm not sure where, and then we're gonna go and get Greg something for Father's Day because Father's Day is tomorrow. Are you excited, Zoe?
I thought the birthday was today.
No, it's tomorrow, girl. You didn't even make your daddy nothing. Andra.
It looks
So
hot.
what we eating?
Okay, so let me see.
Why are you turning away?
Let me see, guys.
We're vlogging this weekend, bro.
Let me see, guys.
Are you serious? Come on, we just sitting here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
First off, go sit down.
Hey.
Hey.
Today is Father's weekend.
Sorry, Zoe is crazy.
Ah.
Can you get off the floor so we can get ready to go? And your legs is mad ashy. What is going on with your knees? Your skinny old legs. We'll get some lotion.
Skinny old legs.
Can you stay over here with your sister?
Skinny bones. That's our skinny legs.
Stay with your sister so I can go get your lotion. And those shoes do not match. What? I'm coming back. Zoe, stay with your sister. So we're trying to decide on food. Greg doesn't know what he wants to eat. Zoe talking about chilies. They're crazy. Zara's sleepy and she's ready for lunch. And go ahead. Come on. Let's go. Everybody walk. Up. Zara's falling over.
Why are you walking like that? Oh,
she was doing so good. Zoe, just go.
I want to stay with her.
All right. Good morning / afternoon because it's not exactly 12 o'clock. It's 11:28. It's Father's Day. And me and the girls are about to go to Walmart. Then we're gonna go, my glasses are crooked. Go to Ross because we're gonna get Greg these socks. I know y'all, socks for Father's Day. He liked these certain socks, brand of socks, and they have like different things on them. So Ross usually carry them. So we're gonna go to Ross. We're gonna go to Walmart because I have to pick up something, and then we're gonna go somewhere else. I think to Aldi because he likes a certain type of root beer, so I'm gonna get that for him. And we're gonna go somewhere else. I'm just not sure. And yes, we're doing this on Father's Day because I wasn't for sure what to get him yesterday, and then time got away from me. But he doesn't care. He don't care that we all late. Where is Zoe? What? Where is it? She's eating it?
She was sucking.
Ooh, I think it was from Daddy. Okay, so we're gonna go there. I'll see you guys in Walmart. I think we're gonna go to Walmart first. Let her spin it. Move your hand. Look. Oh.
I'm typing. Hey guys, today we're at the store looking for something for my dad for Father's Day. Say hi, Mommy.
Snack for Zara. Snack drawer is looking kind of skimpy. Goldfish.
No bullshit. What don't make sense to me though is that
Give them some goldfish for a snack before dinner because they've been running around here like they're crazy. Greg's over there playing the game. Why are these toys in here? Why is that magnet and stuff on her seat? What are you doing? Those don't need to be in here. Zoe?
the one time you get it, right?
You want snacks, Zara? Take it back in there. Go in your... If you guys shop at Aldi, you should definitely try to go pick this up. I love using this as cereal. It's so good and it tastes like chocolate. It's really healthy for you. This is my second bag. I'm gonna go pick some more up tomorrow, but you guys should definitely buy some of this if you shop at Aldi. Or even if you don't. So for dinner, I'm gonna make salmon, and I can never remember how to say this, but I'm making this, and it has brown rice in there. It's like a roasted red pepper flavor. I'm making asparagus, and I'm gonna make sauteed cherry tomatoes for the girls because I don't like tomatoes. So yeah, that's what I'm making for dinner. But first, let us clean the dishes. Alright guys, thank you for watching this week's vlog. Next week it will be a lot longer because it is summertime. First off, happy, I guess, belated Father's Day. But today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fathers who are out there. And if you're watching this and you are a dad, happy Father's Day to you. And shout out to all the dads who are there, who are guiding and loving and caring about their children. And even if you're not with the mom of your children and you're still doing everything you can to make sure your child has a better life, shout out to you. And I am really so thankful for Greg because a lot of the stuff that I do wouldn't be possible without him. I don't know how I would be able to raise these two girls by myself without him. So I'm very thankful for him and I love him and he knows that. So we're about to eat and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.